Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Robinson. So I created a Jamboard to help you with today's assignment. You will notice that I've copied the item and cost chart from today's assignment as well as the same directions, but I've changed the questions. So I'm not giving you the questions that you actually have to answer. I'm going to do similar questions in hopes that it will help you answer the questions on your own today. So you'll see for Mrs. Robinson's party, I am looking for exactly 3 items per bag, and then I want the total cost per bag to fall between $2 whole and $5.50. So I'm not going to choose items that do not cost a lot, because if they do not cost a lot and I only need 3 of them, they're not going to get me within my total bag. So I wouldn't choose an eraser, a keychain, and a rubber ball, because if I use my estimation skills, 16 cents is close to 20 cents. 59 cents for a keychain is close to 60 cents. That would be 80 cents. And a rubber ball is 20 cents. That would add another 20 cents to my 80 cents to only give me 100 cents or $1, which does not fall between my range. So I need to look at some higher end items for my goodie bag. So I might choose to put stickers in my goodie bag. So a sticker is $1.39 per pack. Okay, that's the same as having 1 whole and 39 hundredths, because there's 100 pennies in a dollar. My denominator is going to be 100. Maybe I choose to do marbles for $1.41 per bag. So it's $1.41, which is the same as having 1 whole and 41 100ths. Now I'm going to stop and use my estimation skills. So $1.41 is about $1.50. and $1.39 is about another $1.50. So together they would add up to about $3. I know it's going to be a little less because both of these numbers are less than $1.50. So $3 gets me within my range of where I need to be. So I'm pretty good right now. So maybe I also choose to add small baseballs for 49 cents. So then I'm going to do 49 cents. 49 cents is the same as doing 49 over 100. So now I need to add up my 3 items to make sure that my cost falls between $2 and $5.50. So I can add it up 2 different ways. I can add up my fractions, or I could add it up like this. So first we're going to do our fractions. I ran out of room at the bottom, so I'm going to write it over here. So I have 39 100ths plus 41 100ths. So I know that 9 plus 1 makes 10. If I put down a 0 and I carry a 1, then I have 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 more is 8. So I know that these 2 fractions here, 39 100ths and 41 100ths, would make 80 100ths. So I'm going to write 80 100ths. Right? I have 1 whole from the 1 and 39 100ths plus another 1 whole from the 1 and 41 100ths. I still have to add in my 49 100ths. So now I'm going to do 80 100ths plus 49 100ths and that equals 9 plus 0 is 9, 8 plus 4 is 12. So that gives me 129 100ths, which is an improper fraction. So I need to change that to a mixed number. So I think to myself, how many times can 100 go into 129? I know that it can go in 1 whole time, and then I'll have 29 100ths left over. But now I still need to add in these 2 wholes that I had from over here, right? So 1 whole and 29 100ths. Plus these 2 wholes that I had from before. Equals 3 whole and 29 100ths. Okay, let's go back and look at it if I was adding it up just like I have money. Addition with decimals is the same. You have to remember just to bring down your decimal point, so I'm going to do that first because I know my decimal point goes here. I can think 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 9 more gives me 19, carry the 1. 4 and 4 makes 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 1 more makes 12, so I'm going to put down my 2. I'm going to carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. I have $3.29, which is the same as having 3 and 29 100ths. They mean the same. I know I'm right because $3.29 falls between $2 and $5.50. So on this screen, I chose 3 different items to put in my bag. So let's take a look at it if I choose 3 of the same items, because this word problem just says I need to have 3 items. It doesn't say they have to be different. So I might choose to do stickers. So stickers are $1.39 per pack. And if I want 3 of them, right, I would be doing 3 times $1.39. So let's look at this as a fraction because we know how to multiply fractions. So I have 3 times $1.39 is the same as saying 1 whole and 39 100ths. So I know that when I multiply, I want to break this apart. So I'm going to break this apart into 3 times 1 equals 3. And 3 times 39 100ths. So you might need to do work for 3 times 39 off to the side. So if I do 39 times 3, I know that 3 times 9 is 27, so I'm going to put down my 7. I'm going to carry my 2. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 more makes 11. So that would give me 117 100ths. Now 117 100ths is an improper fraction, so I have to change that to a mixed number. So I think to myself, how many times can 100 go into 117? It can go in 1 whole time, and then I have 17 100ths left over. So I'm going to switch colors so you can see. I have to remember that I need to put back in that, sorry for the noise, I have to put in that 3 whole, and I have to combine that with the 1 and 17 100ths. So now if I have 3 plus 1 whole and 17 100ths That gives me 4 and 17 1/100ths, which is the same as having 4 whole dollars and 17 cents. So I could also do 3 stickers, end up with $4.17 per bag, and that still gets me between 2 whole dollars and $5.50. So here are 2 examples to help you with today's assignment. On your assignment, you're going to be asked to find exactly 5 items per bag, which means that it could be any 5 items. It can be 5 of the same items, or it could be different items. It could be 2 of an item and 3 of another, however you want to do it. But if for number 2, they're asking for different items, that means you cannot repeat. It's 5 totally different items. And then for number 3, it's 8 totally different items. For number 4, to me, that's more of a try this. So see what you can do with it. Talk to your parent about it. No need to write anything. I hope this helps.